We're about to have a pull in a minute, ladies and gentlemen. He's getting up to fifth gear. Let me, here we go. I think that's about $6,000 there. Maybe 7. Now, I bet one of these smart people will probably tell you how much horsepower I made just from listening to that. So you're going for a second pull. About $6,500 again. But of course, you all cannot see in there, which, I mean, I had to stand on top of a car if you wanted to see it. But anyway, that's the first pull. So that's pretty cool. What I'm about to do is wait until what else they got in there? Oh, there's a Corvette up there too. Ah, a little red line for a good time. That's about $7,000. Awesome.
I'm like, oh, it's time to go.
That's awesome. That is awesome.
It is strapped down.
Too bad we can't see it. Awesome.